mugs of coffee warming up their thumbs. If my stitching's crooked now I know the seam. There's a cat cafe inside my sewing machine. Cats in my machine brewing coffee as I sew, purring with the rhythm, giving every stitch a glow. No wonder all my seams have been leaning in between. There's a cozy little cafe in my sewing machine.